Good morning children, welcome to your physics class. Today we are discussing two problems based on equations of motion. The first problem, we have a bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter second raised to minus 2 for 2 minutes. Find first the speed acquired and second the distance travelled. So here we have two data asked to find. First we are writing like every problem given data. Given A equal to 0.1 meter second raised to minus 2. What is A? 0.1 meter second raised to minus 2. Time 2 minutes equal to 2 into 60, 120 seconds. Then here it is mentioned starting from rest. So initial velocity is 0 because starting from rest 0 meter per second. So we have acceleration 0.1 meter second raised to minus 2, time 120 seconds, initial velocity 0 meter per second. It is not mentioned initial velocity, but it is mentioned bus starting from rest. So initial velocity is 0. So first one, speed acquired means final velocity. Question mark. We use the equation V equal to U plus AT. Which equation we are using? First equation of motion, that is V equal to U plus AT. We are substituting V equal to, what is U? 0. 0 plus, what is A? 0.1 into T, what will be 120 seconds. So you will get 0 plus 120 into 0.1. 0.1 means what will be 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 into 1 by 120 only. So 0 will be cancelled because one in numerator, other one denominator. You will get it 12. We will get it 12 meter second raised to minus 1. So what is speed acquired? Speed acquired equal to 12 meter second raised to minus 1. So we have done first part answer. Next we have B part. B part, distance travelled, that is S question mark. Distance travelled means what is question mark? S. S equation what will be? We are using two equations we have. First equation and second equation. First equation we use, then we have second and third equation. That is S equal to ut plus half a square we can use. Otherwise 2a is equal to v square minus u square. We can use here S equal to ut plus half a square. S equal to ut plus half a square. We have two equations to find S. S equal to ut plus half a square. Otherwise we can use 2as equal to v square minus u square. Any equation you used also, we will arrive to same answer. So you can follow any equation. These two, any one you can use. So S equal to ut plus half a square. S equal to u what will be 0. 0 into t what will be 120 seconds. 120 plus half into 0.1 into t square, t into t. So 120 into 120. We have 120 into 0, 0. 0 plus Here 2 and 120 we will cancel. We will get 60. So we have 6 into 12, 72. Then this 0 with this point 1 we can cancel. We have then 720. 0 plus 720. Because 6 into 12 is 72 only. But here point 1 is there. So that we can remove one more 0 also. Then we have only 1 0. So 720. 720. Yeah. So what is the distance traveled? 720 meter. Distance traveled equal to 720 meter. This step I will tell one more time from beginning. Acceleration point 1 meter second raised to minus 2. Time 120 seconds. U 0 because starting from first. Initial velocity given. Then speed upward is what? Final velocity. Final velocity will be question mark. B equal to U plus 80. 0 plus 0.1 into 120. 0.1 means 1 by 10 only. So 0.1 means what will be 1 by 10 only. 0.1 means 1 by 10 only. So we can cancel this zeros. We will get 12. Similarly, SC distance traveled question mark. SC equal to UT plus half AT square. 0 into 120 0. Then half into 0.1 means what I said 1 by 10. 0.1 means 1 by 10 only. So this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. Here we have 2 and 120 will be cancelled. We will get 60. So 60 into 12. We will get 720. 720 meter. So what is the distance traveled? 720 meter. We have a second problem. A trolley while going down an inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeters second raised to minus 2. What will be its velocity? Three seconds after the start. So dear children, I read the question. A trolley while going down an inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeters second raised to minus 2. What will be its velocity 3 seconds after the start? Is it clear question? Here acceleration is given, time is given. Then after the start, After the start means what will be velocity, every object starting from rest only. So it means initial velocity 0. We are writing given acceleration equal to 2 centimeters second raised to minus 2. It is centimeter only. You have to convert into meter. Then 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter second raised to minus 2. Why I wrote minus 2? Because 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 by 100 meter. It is 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So this is, you might have learned 1 centimeter 1 by 100 means what will be 1 by 10 raised to 2. Then power, then take to numerator, it will be 10 raised to minus 2. So 1 centimeter 1 by 100 meter 1 by 10 raised to 2 equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. That we are substituting here. So we get 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter second raised to minus 2. Then time is 3 seconds. Then initial velocity 0 meter per second because starting from rest. After the start only it is written. That means starting from rest. What is asked to find? Final velocity. Asked to find. We have the equation V equal to U plus AT. What equation we are using? First equation of motion. V equal to U plus AT equal to V equal to U what will be 0. 0 plus A what will be 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 3 seconds. 0 plus 6 into 10 raised to minus 2. So we our answer 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter per second. 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter per second. Dear children, problems you must write and study until you learn. This is my advice. Otherwise, this subject will become difficult hereafter. So, problems, derivations, you must write and study. There is no other way to learn. Until you learn the steps by yourself, then write and study. So, until you learn, write and study. Otherwise, physics will become a tough subject for you. So, don't make it as a subject which is tough. You make it easy. So, any doubt is while doing steps, you please call me and clear it. So, when you have doubt, you have Google Meet platform is there. That Google Meeting class, that class you clear it your doubts. Don't feel it as a difficult subject. So, 8th class, till 8th class you did not learn any problems at all. When you come to 9th class, you may have little trouble, like equations are there, then derivations are there. That is a new experience for you. Make it an easy subject, while continuous studies only you can make it easy subject. This is my advice. So, write and study until you learn. Any doubt, please call me and clear it. So, today I have taught only 2 problems. Last problem is very simple only. Direct problem only. Here one conversion is there. Meter you have to convert into. Here meter, centimeter given. You have to convert into meter. So, dear children, problems write and study. Minimum I am telling 3 only, that for a suggestion only until you learn. So after 5 times means 5 times you have to write and study. Thank you children.